What up, what up, what up? What's happening? My mom said it's gotta go. So it's gotta go. 2000 BMW 323i. Car's in excellent shape inside and out. But she says she's gotta find a new home. So chances are somebody may see this in their local salvage, not salvage, what do you call it, when they bring it back as something else. It'll be a microwave or something. You know what I mean? Motor shot, transmission's good, ring's good. I mean, it's got a lot of good parts on it. But who got time to sit here and, piece out parts? See, we got a sunroof, you know what I mean? Like if somebody was wanting to do a sunroof and something. You know what I'm saying? She was wanting pennies for it. Just get it out of the way. It's going now. She said, get this thing out of my yard. It's going. Going. It's been sitting a while. She drove it for a little bit. I think I'm gonna snatch that air cleaner off. I think I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna snatch that air cleaner off. And the cold air intake, I guess. Then it's got a new atmospheric, thermometer, which you would use for the mirror. And I've seen a lot of guys pull the power wire from here. It goes all the way to the trunk. They use those for power source. This has got a blown head gasket. Got hot, so it has to be out of here. I had the intentions of putting the 5.3, 4.8. If you see this right here, look, what does it say? 5.3. It was meant to have a 5.3 in it, but I just ain't got the time, man, or the place. If I had the place to store it, you know what I'm saying, to where I can get to it and put it on, it'd be different. I even have the kit to put a 5.3 in this thing, you know what I mean? The actual motor mounts, transmission mount, everything. From 5.3 4L60 to mount right in here, no problem. Watched 1,000 videos on how to do it. Just never could do it. So I'm doing what she asked, and let's get it out of here. Said, man, not a bad car. Not a bad car. I know it's been in North Carolina several times. It didn't look like it. I'd start just picking up trash and throwing it in here. So it didn't look like it. It's gotta go, it's gone. Out of here. As you can see, it's a busy day here at the scrapyard, man. They got them lined up. I hate driving in here, man, because it seems like you never fail. If you walk out of here, you ever make it out of here without a flat, you lock close the window. See you, BMW. No more of you, baby. No more of you, baby. He's gone, y'all.